At first, when they were first showing us the game, they really did take to it and they liked it. And once we started practicing around with it, everybody, I think, that even once I showed them, they're like, oh, but once they played it and saw what it was about, everybody likes it.
I enjoy playing that game. All the games that's on there I enjoy. I like the skiing.
Some of them like to play the game. It takes their mind off of things. So if we have them standing, they get into the game, they forget how long they're standing, they forget about their pain, they just want to beat their last numbers or try to win that t-shirt.
Keeps your mind working and makes you think of your next move, so it's keeping you alert.
It keeps you healthy by the movements of your arms, your hands, your mind. Always telling you, watch out for the next little thing.
We've gotten good results. It makes it more fun. It takes their mind off of actually doing physical therapy to where they're engaged in fun.
It's realistic, actually, and just kind of fun because it doesn't cost me anything.
I enjoy playing and using Restore. It helps me think better and move my arms better and hands better.